Hi, this is Eric Bartzakner. Today we're going to show you how to replace the float on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. The dishwasher float raises and lowers with the water level of the dishwasher. The float triggers the float switch to stop the dishwasher from overfilling with water. If the float fails, the dishwasher may not properly sense the water level of the dishwasher, which can cause the dishwasher to not fill with water properly. If you need a new float for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. This repair can be completed with the dishwasher installed. To begin, we'll need to remove the access panel, which is held in place by these two retainers. The retainers are locked when they are oriented vertically. Using a flathead screwdriver, turn them a quarter turn to the left, releasing the locking mechanism. Now gently pull forward on the panel to remove the retainer. Pull the access panel forward gently, being careful not to rip the insulation. The lower portion of the float seats in the retainer on the float housing. To access it, pinch the locking tabs together and flip the door open. Now, gently bend the float up and over the retaining tab. Then, open the dishwasher's door. Pull the bottom dish rack forward and lift it up and out. With access to the inside of the dishwasher, lift the float up and out. If you need a new float, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. When purchasing a new float, we also recommend inspecting the base gasket for any damage or leaks and replacing if necessary. To install, align the new float to the retaining slot on the base of the dishwasher's housing and press into place. Ensure the lower portion of the float is seated on this side of the retainer on the housing. Then, close the housing door. Now, insert the access panel at an angle. Then, align the notches on the access panel to the slots on the frame and press into place. Align the access panel retainers to the notches on the access panel so that they are oriented horizontally in the unlocked position. Finally, turn them to the right so that they are orientated vertically, securing the access panel in place. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.